How to use Capitect properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Capitect is a powerful portfolio management platform designed for financial advisors and serious investors. But most beginners misunderstand how to use it and end up wasting both time and opportunity. Let's fix that. The first mistake is treating Capitect like a basic tracking app. It's far more than that. Capitect automates performance reporting, rebalancing, and portfolio visualization, giving you full control over client portfolios or your own wealth. To use it properly, start by setting clear goals and asset allocations under model portfolios. This step defines your risk profile and guides all future rebalancing. Another mistake? Ignoring the rebalancer tool. Many users manually tweak positions when markets shift, but Capitect's rebalancer automates this process efficiently, minimizing tax events and transaction costs. Next, most people forget about client portals. Whether you're managing your own family portfolio or clients, transparency is key. Portal provides performance metrics, benchmarks, and secure communication, helping build trust and confidence. Pro tip: integrate your custodians or external accounts through API connections. That way data updates in real time, eliminating manual input errors. And here's what most people get wrong: they focus on performance charts, but ignore cash flow projections. Capitect's strength lies in its ability to visualize long-term sustainability, not just short-term returns. Used properly, Capitect turns complex portfolio management into a streamlined, professional experience, helping you make smarter, faster, and more confident investment decisions.